Wait for it. Where's the burp emote? There you go. There we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm learning. My burp techniques are getting better and better every day. Yeah, I wanna do more stream highlights. It's just my editor, she's been kind of sick. Not feeling so good. She's been dealing with some stuff, so. Que mata pasiones. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear my own burp. Make sure it's safe. Oof, it went up my nose. I hate when like Coke gas goes up your nose. It's really not friendly. Definitely. There's more. There's definitely more. I have to wait some for the sandwich, man. I am very gross. How do you guys watch me? Seriously, how can you people watch me? I'm disgusting. Go somewhere else. Go do something better with your times. With your time. Oh my god, it just came out of my eye.